That was incredible. Whole... Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be reacting to episode 9 of Outer Banks season 1, and can I just say the last episode left me reeling. It was absolutely incredible, one of their best episodes they've put out so far within this first season. It had action from A to B, from 0 minutes to 43, like it was incredible, and I can't wait to find out what happens next and how that final scene is going to play out for the rest of the season with 2 episodes remaining. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Dude, this guy.
Gumby, give me the radio.
No. Not him.
Give me the radio.
No, not him.
Radio. Where are you going?
Run.
Huh? Where are you going? I'm not.
What is wrong with you?
Take your sister. Okay, you gotta get her home. What? Get her home. Take her home.
I am not going
Get
to
her
let
home,
the medics
Sam.
get here.
I'm
No, I
calling.
don't.
Far out. The one person that could have taken him down.
Resting it, Reeve.
Okay, I couldn't sit there and let it happen, okay? She was gonna kill him. Yeah, she was gonna kill him.
Hey!
Oh!
Hey! Get back here!
Listen, I'm a proactive type of person.
Dude, you're gonna...
I'm a proactive type of person. Listen, hope is not a strategy, okay?
Oh,
God damn it! Hey! Ah! Hey! Damn it! Ah! Yeah, dude. I was wondering when this was gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
not for us.
No. Not for us. For nothing.
It's just about to...
Is this yours?
Whose blood is that?
You okay, man?
Johnny, are you okay?
The plane, of course, of course.
Come on! Hey! Hey!
The hell you think that?
No.
Central
No.
ATA on that bus.
No.
15, maybe 20 minutes.
Well, damn it. Right, en route. Tell them we're coming. We got a train.
And you know what? I low-key think he needed to give enough time for the plane to go before he got help there. Like, he knew he had enough time so he could paint his story.
Come on! Come on, get her out! I got her. Careful.
He's walking.
Easy there, Chief. Never, ever trust cops, no matter what the circumstance is.
Your old man's an abusive liar.
I agree with JJ.
Amy.
Fuck the police.
You going to the dark side now?
John Rutledge. 16-year-old white male, 6 foot, last seen wearing board shorts, a bad frame t-shirt, and a faded red hood.
It's pink. Okay, it's a pink hoodie. Okay, he has to run. Get out of there, get out of there. Go, 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 go.
Where the hell are you going, Ward? Hey, no, get back here. I need to know what is going on here.
shits what you need right now, okay?
It's a big old mess over here. He saved your ass again.
On me today. That's good. Yes, that could work, right?
Right! Stop it!
What?
I don't need your help right now. I didn't need it then. I don't need it now. I just need to think. So please, go clean up.
And all the fucking posters made. With a reward, 10,000 worth of nautical from the impound lot.
10,000 would be enough to keep me from killing that guy.
Huh.
25 then. That ought to be enough to turn every person.
He's like most wanted #1 in the island. Great, return to power. Woo! But we have a manhunt on our hands.
And still no arrest in the shooting death of Sheriff Susan Peterkin. The state police have issued a statement regarding a local person.
It's not happening, bro, okay? We've got to get you off the island.
The ferry. It's the only way.
Yeah, exit stage left while you still can, man, okay? Before the entire island is on lockdown.
Guys, just get down.
Yeah, you tell your daughter what you did. How about you do that?
Baby, nothing's gonna happen to Red.
Excuse me?
And try. Do you understand? You have to pick a side, Sarah.
No.
Him or us.
Tell her. Why don't you just tell her what you did? She'll find out eventually.
What is this? What is this? Well, John B, this is a good framer of you.
So
JJ.
the whole island's looking for John B, right?
That's a lot of money.
So basically JJ is bringing his comedic relief and it's like much needed right now.
Congratulations, John B, you're now famous.
Hey guys, you gotta get to the aid. Give him.
Your car's on here. It's on the poster.
Can we move it, please?
Go help him. Look. Look. Don't hold that guy, dude. That guy right there. Shit.
We got a snitch. Oh, turn the car
We
on.
need 25,000. We need backup on a green
That'll-
SUV Iota.
That'll buff out. Oh jeez, honey. Oh my god.
So John B killed Sheriff Peterkin.
What?
Are you smiling right now? I'm not joking. Like, this isn't a game. I don't know why you're smiling, okay? Look at me. I saw it with my own 2 eyes, all right?
How the hell is he gonna do this?
Should be driving.
Mama's mad. John B?
Him?
Hey man,
John B?
just listen to me for a second. Relax.
Man, what are you doing here?
I'm
Hell out of my house right now. Hey!
Hey, this ain't nothing but shit.
Look, this is quiet plan.